Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another Grape City Outdoor video today. We're still here on Christmas break up in Pennsylvania with the family, and we're going to be on another goose hunt this morning. Your boy is looking a little rough. We had a slow start this morning, plus an hour drive, and we still got a ways to go. We're just waiting on a couple of my buddies. We're going to carpool the rest of the way and go shoot some geese, hopefully. It is, I don't even know what day it is, but the last time we hunted we had some geese in a cornfield. You probably won't see any of that footage because we didn't shoot nothing, but we saw a ton of birds. They just didn't want to play with us that day, so I might throw a couple clips in here and show you, but they just flared off of us. I just don't think our hide was that great, and you live and you learn. But hopefully today will be a lot better. We're gonna hunt over some water, have some ice rippers in here. I'm told that there's a bunch of geese in here. This isn't my hunt, but thankfully I got invited on it, so we'll see how this goes. All right, so let me get out of the wind here, but rundown for today. Just got it from everybody. There's probably 200, 250 geese sitting on this pond. It was frozen with some bubblers in it, but with this 50 degrees we've been having, it's wide open. We got about 2 dozen floaters, 4 dozen full bodies, 8 shooters, so this should end up being pretty good. Lots and lots of wind today, like a steady 20 to 25 mile an hour with gusts up to like 40, 45. So we'll see if the geese want to play. The temperatures are going to start plummeting here in a second. It's supposed to get really nasty today. Big snowstorm coming through. We'll see if they hit this water before it gets cruel, get nasty outside, and see if we can lay some down. We could have killed him right there.
All right, get ready. Hank, you shoot the 2 on the ground with someone, we'll all shoot at this one.
Don't shoot that.
I think he's gone.
He's coming around.
How far are they? Don't let him get too far.
I didn't even see him. Oh, he's right there.
Boom. Kill him! They picked him up.
Yeah.
Kill him! They picked him up.
Yeah. All right. Well, first pack that actually did it right in the decoys, but they picked up right at the last minute. So we're gonna go pick these ones up, see what happens.
you might want to get in here.
You might get down in this.
Smoked him. Hell yeah.
We're gonna shoot these 4.
Yeah. Oh my god, they're all coming in.
Keep your face down. No, 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 no! It's too far. Way too early, dog. Way too early.
They pulled up.
Oh!
Yeah.
No, 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 no! It's too far. Way too early, dog. Way too early. You got him. Right here on the right.
Kill them! Kill them! I'm gonna shoot this one.
Look at all these ducks on the left.
Come in.
I have a shell in my gun. My gun went click.
Come in.
Oh my god. Kill him. Two more.
Two more right here, right here.
Might not even be able to hear him. Pair.
All right, boys. Well, we just got done cleaning up all the birds. I know it's been chaotic footage. The geese aren't sitting down right where we want them to. Those last two that we just shot, I believe, burned out our limit. We're gonna get one more count, see where we're sitting, but I think we're done. Not too bad of a day. Well, as you can see, we're packing up. I'm going to get the truck. Pretty good hunt. 9-man limit, 3 bird zone, so 27 total. Pretty good morning. Hopefully this will load back up later in the week. We got big fronts coming through. Gonna be like sub 20 degrees all week. Lots of snow. So we'll see what happens, but thanks for staying and watching the video. Hope y'all enjoy. Peace.
Tell me, baby, what's the way? Oh, what's the way? Tell me, baby, what's the way? What's the way I've got to do?
Oh, hell yeah.